This is Alex, and Alex has really kindly agreed to let me show him.
I know. That's the way I feel about it as well.
We're not actually going to be decluttering Alex's garage during the course, but it's going to be really helpful. I don't know what I'm talking about. You can sort your stuff just into piles if you want. That's what I'm going to do. Or you might want to assemble some containers. Right, let's do that from the top. But it's a really good example of what am I talking about? I usually recommend decluttering. Okay, right. Okay. I'm not actually going to be decluttering Alex's garage with him during the course, but it's a really good example of some of the things that some of the stuff or wooden furniture which can warp.
Oh,
Right,
God,
okay. Here we go. We're not going to actually declutter Alex's garage as part of the course, but I thought it'd be good to show it to you because it's a perfect example of some of the sake!
Anywhere suitable, so I've just had to sort of bung them in there.
Right, they've just ended up on top.
Yeah.
Got it, okay, got it. I've forgotten what I was going to say now.
Some other things I want to get rid of.
Okay, that's the cat you can hear but not see.
Come on, off you go. Oh my god, how naughty!
Oh my god, I think we weren't filming.
Oh no, you're joking me.
That's really true, isn't it? It's not crazy bonkers in there, it's not too decluttered.
It's actually alright.
Oh, thank you so much for showing us your garage, Alex. I'm not on for a minute, on quickly. Look, I had to cut off.
No problem, it's great fun.
I think we might need to do it again because you said that. I think that's absolutely right. I mean, it's not crazy cluttered, is it, in there, is it?
And I know exactly, that's exactly what I thought.
I'm really sorry.
Don't say that, it's fine, I enjoy it, it's great.